What is up, you guys? Hi, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing something a little bit new. I am going to be doing a extreme fall makeup tutorial. I know there are some YouTubers out there that have done their fall look, which is like the natural reds, orange, and yellows, and browns, and golds, and shimmer. And I thought, why not take it to the extreme? So I was fooling around with the blood sugar palette, and I was like, you know what? I don't think I've done some purples in my eyes, and not even the ones with the blood sugar colors. So I thought, you know what? Why not put those two together, put on some big ass eyeliner, and see what I can come up with. So guys, if you really want to know how I got this look, then you better keep on watching. Alright guys, so as you can see, I am completely barefaced. I know that was from one thing to another. It's crazy, right? So for today, let's go ahead and prime, and I'm going to be taking the Farsali Unicorn Essence Skin Serum. You guys know that I am obsessed with how it smells, how it performs, and just basically everything about it. And I know the price range is pretty crazy, I should say, but like I tell everybody, the higher the price, the higher the quality you will see. Alright, just want to make sure that I got everywhere and that I did not miss a spot. And I am primed up. And for foundation, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and go back with the Maybelline SuperStay foundation. I'm really like this foundation. It's pretty worth it. I feel like this foundation is like one of the best full coverage to hit the drugstore. Alright, so I got pretty much most of the spots on my face, and let's go ahead and get to blending. So in the middle of my blending, I just noticed that my air conditioning finally went silent. So there's going to be some times in the video where it's going to be a little noisy and then it'll be back to normal. But it's just the air conditioning, guys. I'm really sorry. I wish I had control over it, and I wish I had a better editing software for, you know, not hearing that noise, but I gotta work with what I gotta work with. Alright, so now that I look like a freaking ghost, let's go and go to concealing. So for concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and go with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This concealer is literally like the best for full coverage and to really hide that imperfection that if anyone has, but come on, we're all human. We don't have imperfections. We're beautiful just the way that we are. But honestly though, guys, I've been watching a lot of YouTubers talk about new concealers that hit the market, and I've been sticking with my same old concealers. So if there's any concealers that you guys want me to test out, please, the comment section is free for everybody. Alright, and let's go ahead and blend out this concealer. I just realized that I put so much concealer under my eyes, and I never put this much, but I've been watching a lot of Instagram video tutorials about people that put a lot of concealer, a lot of baking powder and contouring, and they look like a goddess, and I'm just like, maybe I should try that. And now that I got the concealer all blended out, I'm just going to go ahead and add on some translucent powder, so that way you guys know my eyes crease very easily. So I'm going to make sure that it's not going to do that, because no one likes a creasy sister. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face, and I'm going to be taking the Morphe 8L palette, and I'm going to be dipping into shade Donut with a dab of Literati. And I'm just going to go ahead and carefully carve out these cheeks. And I'm going to be using the Morphe M530 brush. Sorry guys. So besides all of the makeup drama that's been going around lately, what do you guys think about all of the new holiday stuff that quite a few brands are teasing us with? The Anastasia one though? Ooh girl. I am so ready for the holiday sales. If anyone knows me, they will tell you that I am always on the hunt for the best deals. I'm going to carefully carve the nose with the Morphe M3 brush. Very carefully, because we all love a nose that's snatched. for the gods. And let's go ahead and set the nose. And normally when I let my face bake for a little bit, I would do my eyebrows off camera, but I've been getting a lot of requests that I should do my brows in front of you guys, and especially since I kind of changed up my brows a little bit, so I will be doing a step-by-step on how to get the brows. So for the brows, what I like to do is I will take a brow pencil. I personally use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I start... Okay, so before I start, I just want to let you guys know that if you watched a few of my recent videos, you guys would notice that my brows changed. They are trimmed a little bit, and they have changed in length. So this is what I like to do. I start from, I don't know if you guys can see this, but from the corner of my eye going up, I would just mark one there. Then from the second corner of the eye, I would carefully drag that up, mark on the bottom and the top, because that is where the loop is going to be. Or not the loop, the what is it called? The curve, the hump. It's called something. Then you're going to do the same thing with the other eye. Gonna mark it there. And with this, there, and there. And then I carefully trace the brow from the bottom. I just keep going until I see where I put the dot at, which is right here, and then I curve down. Then what I do is from the corner, from your nose to your eye, going up, like right around right here, put a dot there. So let's see. Ooh, that's a big dot. Okay, so from the curve, I'm gonna meet the dot right there. And I know it looks a little messy, but don't worry. The end results will be amazing. And then what I like to do is, like right over here, I will finish it off with the shape. So like right there. And then with the spoolie, I just brush up and then brush down, so that way I can blend the product a little bit into my full brows. Go ahead and just draw some hair like on your brows, just a little bit. And then from the front, I just flick hair likes and then back at it again. Then I get my spoolie, just brush it upwards. Normally I would use a dip brow, but somebody told me that my brows look too fake with dip brow, and I come to realize that, hey, they're right. Time for a new switch. So brow pencil it is. And I really highly recommend you guys to purchase a brow pencil. It doesn't matter where the brow product is from, just know the higher the price, the higher the quality. Thank God the air conditioning has finally silenced. And then I would just take any tiny flat brush with either foundation or concealer and then just start cleaning up the brows. And then to finish it off, I just take a brow gel. This is the Anastasia brow gel, and this is shade chocolate. And if you guys were wondering what shade the brow pencil was, it was chocolate as well. And this will add a little bit of color to your brows and also set it in place. Alright guys, so this is how I get my brows to look on point. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off the right brow off camera now, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so now that my brows are done, I'm just going to go ahead and dust away the translucent powder. Oh, this one's being stubborn and just wanting to stay in that little crease of mine. Like, no, I can't. But now that the powder is done, let's go ahead and go on to the eyes. Some of y'all might have guessed it in the beginning of the video what palette I was using, but I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blood Sugar palette. I think this palette is so iconic to the company because of its unique packaging and, if I can get this, oh there it goes, and for its amazing color range. So for this look, I'm going to be taking the Morphe E17 brush, and I think I'm going to be mixing in with Prick and Cherry Soda. So I'm going to be taking those shades. Oh my god, look at the pigmentation. I'm going to be taking the shades in the crease of the eyes, and then I'm going to carefully blend it a little higher up. You guys see how vibrant that looks? Alright guys, so I'm going to be taking the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into Cake Mix and Sugarcane, and I'm going to go ahead and blend out the colors with this red shade, just so that way the colors look like they have a very well blended finish to it, because that's key to makeup, right? Blending. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same for the other eye. Alright guys, so for the corner of my eye, I'm going to go ahead and take on this dark brown shade, and I believe it's pronounced Intravenous. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And I'm going to carefully pack that on the corner right here. And guys, for the next part, it's totally up to you if you want to do this or not, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a flat brush and carefully add a dab of foundation or concealer, again, your choice, and I'm just going to go ahead and pat it on kind of centered towards the very first corner. And I know I don't normally do this, but I open, and where it kind of touches on the top is where I'm going to go ahead and carve. Alright guys, so this is it. Totally kidding. So right now it's pretty much set to where I want it to be, and time for the next shade. So instead of using the Blood Sugar palette for the center shade, I'm actually going to be dipping into a different eyeshadow palette, still by the same company, the iconic Beauty Killer, and I'm going to be dipping into this very high class gold called Rich Bitch. Now again, you guys can use your finger or your brush for this, totally up to you. Mine still has pigments, thank God. And I'm just gonna go ahead and okay, so I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. I was not expecting this to still have any more pigments, because I did buy this 2.5 years ago. The box said it had 24 months for its shelf time, so I was like, oh, I'll probably have to throw it away, buy a new one, you know, but still works. I don't know if I've ever done something like this before on my channel, or on Instagram for that matter, but just wait. It's gonna come along. We're gonna do a very silent prayer, because I'm going to be doing my eyeliner. Oh, Jesus, please guide me through this difficult task on perfecting the perfect winged eyeliner. Amen. Thank God for concealer. Alright guys, so now that I got the wing on the top, I'm going to go ahead and add on some eyeliner on the bottom as well. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put on some eyeliner off camera, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I know it looked like I went a little hard on the bottom eyeliner, which is okay, because I'm actually going to be putting a little bit of black shade on the bottom as well. And I couldn't find a really good black shade, so I'm just going to take a regular black shade from an Anastasia palette. For the last shade, I'm going to go ahead and go back to Root Canal from the Blood Sugar palette, and I'm going to carefully apply that all under the black color. This is something completely out of my comfort zone. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add on my highlighter from the Anastasia Amrezy, and I'm gonna pack this color on the corner of my eye, right here. Okay, so on camera, my right eye looks like I didn't pack on any of the highlighter, but trust me, I packed it on really good. So now the next step to do is lashes, and I'm going to be doing that in a snap. Ready? Told you it was all going to be in a snap. And I'm going to link down everything in the description box on what products I use for the lashes and for the eyeliner and for the mascara. Alright guys, and for highlighter, I think we all know what I'm going to be using, so let's just go ahead and jump right into it. And I got to be very careful, because this highlighter is very, and I mean very, pigmented. I'm going to add some a little on the tip of the nose, and a little bit on the chin, the temples, and on the cupid bow. Alright, and now the next thing is the lips. Which nude should I use? I got Celebrity Skin, I got Human Nature, Christmas Cookie, Leo. This is the challenge. You know what, for a dramatic eye like this, I feel like we should use a very light shade. So I'm going to be going in with Christmas Cookie. Now, I'm just wondering, when the hell are we going to get those Jeffree Star lip liners? Like, I am ready. The last thing to do is set the face. So I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay All Nighter and let's just go ahead and spray. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look for this extreme fall makeup tutorial, and honestly I cannot believe that I stepped out like this. Like, this is me. And honestly guys, this look has been way past due because I needed to do a eye look that wasn't natural. I needed to step out of my comfort zone a little bit, and this really did its trick. Like, I'm really proud of it, and I'm really happy that it all came out really nice. I mean, the liner has a little bit of a flop, but it's all good. Alright guys, and if you really love this look, please let me know down in the comment sections. Tell me what stuff I should do next. What product should I review? What other things do you want to see on my channel besides makeup? Because I have been wanting to do something different. Maybe like a different kind of review, or maybe like a little vlog. Alright guys, this is a completed look, and I hope you guys do love this video. And if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to hit that big ass red button that says subscribe and the notification bell, so that way you guys can be a part of this family. Alright guys, I gotta go now, and I will be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye guys.